What's up everyone, TechBird is here. As everyone knows, Samsung is the world's largest tech company and it is manufacturing new smartphones having unique technology every year. This year they have launched the new technology in the smartphones category, which is available in the shape of Galaxy ZFold3 and ZFlip3. And next year they are going to launch the Samsung Galaxy S22 Series, and according to reports, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will set the display brightness records. Before proceeding this video, I will suggest you to subscribe this channel if you want to motivate us for producing more content. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will break AMOLED display brightness records and will set the new standard for the competitors. The company has been breaking display brightness records for years with every new flagship, and it is logical to assume that the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will also set the display brightness records. So if the Samsung will become successful for creating display brightness records for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, then their competitors like Xiaomi and Apple will be worried. Samsung breaking display brightness records should not surprise any established fan of the brand, but if you are new in the crowd, you might be happy to learn that the company's top tier flagships achieve a higher peak brightness level virtually every year. According to a recent Twitter rumor, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has reportedly set a new display brightness record, presumably somewhere in the Samsung testing lab, which is mind-blowing. Furthermore, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was previously rumored to feature a 6.5 to 6.6 inch AMOLED display. The panel should be capable of a 120Hz refresh rate, and again it will be most likely be Samsung's brightest AMOLED smartphone panel yet. According to rumors, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be the only model from the upcoming flagship lineup to have an LTPO back panel, which will offer the higher energy efficiency. One bad news is that it will not have a under-display camera technology. As far as the colors of the device are concerned, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is rumored to come in so-called red color in addition to the standard black and white models. Now a new leak from the Galaxy Club claims that the Samsung is trying to bring the green color option as well. It will likely be similar to the phantom green paint that can be found on the Galaxy ZFold3. Furthermore, Samsung is rumored to unveil the Galaxy S22 series at a new Galaxy Unpacked event in January, and we are waiting for this new device to get launched in New Year. Of course, let me know what do you think down in the comments, and do consider subscribing for all the latest tech news. As always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.